another day, another wonderful trade taking. So I took this trade yesterday, and I've been holding this trade since yesterday to date. So basically, I want to share with you guys the reasons why I sold this index, why I'm expecting more sales, and I actually share this sell signal to my VIP members. We're moving in good profits. Wonderful trade here. I've got my first and second TP smashed before this retracement here. For this retracement we got at this point, and I'm still expecting more sales, at least for price to contest my 30p level. And I've moved my stop loss below my entry, which I'm kind of safe in this trade, though this index doesn't respect stop losses fully, but it do as well. So here in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the reasons why I sold this index, my market analysis and view on Boom 500 index basically. So coming to the higher time frame, because you guys know whenever I want to look at future opportunities, I start from a higher time frame so I can see the bigger picture of the market, so I can be able to identify the market levels and zones properly. So on this weekly time frame, I firstly spotted the market's trend, the previous market trend basically. Well, let's make sure I identify the previous trend and the current trend. So I got this previous downtrend identified, which market was creating lower highs and lower lows formation, and I got this uptrend as well spotted, which you can see here. The market was also creating higher highs and higher lows formation, which is the current trend. So in this uptrend, it's said that we should work with the market trend here. If the market is in an uptrend, we should look out for buy opportunities, and if the market is on a downtrend, we should look out for sell opportunities. But I saw this index, reason is that this index has been bullish for a very long time now, and I assume that this index is in an overbought zone, which we should be expected potential reversal in the coming hours and days, would say. Yeah, and we had this trend support which I identified here, this trend support, and we can see that whenever price gets to our trend support, we get the buys from it, we get the bullish move from it. First approach of this trend support here, we get price buy from it, give the buys from it. Second approach here, got the buys from it. Second approach here, we got the buys from it. We got the buys, and we're here to get the third approach of our third test of our trend support, and we have our trend resistance on this side. Trend resistance, whenever price gets to trend resistance, we get the sales. You can see market reaction. Let's spot it as well. First test of our trend resistance, we got these little cells, we got these cells here, these cells here. Second test of it, we also got a cell which price came to test our trend support. Test of this level is what pushed market to the downside for price to come test our trend support. So we've got two tests of our trend resistance and two tests of our trend support. So the next test we got here is a test of our trend resistance, which you can see at this point. Test of this trend resistance, which you can see price give here. So one thing I observed on the test of our trend resistance is that the only test we got here that made price approach this trend support, that gave price an approach of our trend support, was this sell. So the third sell failed to give market a test of our trend support, which is very much important to give an accurate trend. Would say an accurate uptrend or an accurate downtrend. We should get both test of our trend resistance and test of our trend support. So here we only got these cells which price stopped at this point, and we got the fourth test here, which I'm expecting market to give a full sell to our support level, our trend support basically. And we have this horizontal level of support, which we could get potential bullish reversal from. Yeah, so this is my expected sell zone, my expected target on these cells. If price can sell to this zone as well as our trend support, giving a test of our trend support here, of our trend support at this point, then we could get the buys on this index. We could see this index go bullish from this point. So short term, I'm looking at for sell opportunities on this index. I'm bearish on this index, and the last daily time frame candle closed in a bearish form, which we can see here. This is the daily time frame chart. So each and every candle here takes 1 day to form. So this last candle here closed in a bearish form, which we could get more sales, which could produce more sales today and the next day. So this week we just got into is likely to be a bearish week on Boom 500 index. And here we also got an uptrend on this same day time frame chart. We got this uptrend that got broken. So here you got a break of this trend, market now shifted from an uptrend market, which was creating higher highs and higher lows, to a downtrend market on the day time frame. You can see it clearly on the 4-hour time frame. You can see it here, yeah, on the 4-hour time frame. So on spotting this uptrend, I knew that for market to break out of this uptrend, the next trend should be a downtrend. So I identified this downtrend as well, which boosted up my sell confidence on this trade, which added to my sell bias on this index. Yeah, so I identified this lower highs formation the market was forming on the 4-hour time frame. You can see the highs here, and that high, lower high, lower high, a low, lower low. Possibly you should get what, a new lower low formation, which would take price to my next TP level, as well as testing our trend support at these points. So the market structure on the 4-hour time frame is bearish. We are getting lower highs and lower lows formation. So how I got into the trade, how I was able to get my entries, was that on identifying this trend, this downtrend, I spotted a bearish reversal pattern formation, which is a double top formation. Right, so I identified this reversal pattern, which you can see here. Market created this also looks like a head and shoulders on the 1-hour time frame charts, but on the 4-hour time frame it's a double top formation. So let's work with the 1-hour time frame chart, because that's where I got my entries basically. So this is a head and shoulders pattern formation. We call the left shoulder there, the head at this point, and the right shoulder basically at this zone, the right shoulder at this point. So this is a nice head and shoulders pattern reversal formation. So identify the neckline here, identify this neckline, and got my entries on the break and close below this neckline. I took my entries, and it was at this point I shared the sell signal to my VIP members, and we've made good profit from this trade. I took this trade yesterday evening, and I've held this trade to today's morning. Yeah, today's a new day basically. So I've held this trade for hours. I've paid myself in trade. My first and second TP has been smashed. Then I moved my stop loss below my entry. So I'm kind of safe in this trade, and I'm expecting more sales basically. More sales expected on Boom 500 index in the coming hours and days. Yeah, so we have potential levels. We have levels which price could you expect if market is to get to the one of those levels at these levels, which is below my 30p level. Yeah, one of these levels is at this point, because you can see market traction here, resistance, support here. So price could still react on this level as a support, right? So if market can break below this level, then we'd see a free fall to the downside. And I think we also have another level here, which was got market self from as a resistance, support at this point. So if price can push to the downside, we could still see a test of this zone, right? A reaction on this level before price could get to our next potential reversal point on this index. This index is in an uptrend. There's no dispute the fact here. Let's always have that in mind, that the buyers are still the ones who are in charge of this market. So we should pay attention to the market's moves and be observant with what the market is doing. And on this same 1-hour time frame, we got this uptrend, which price also broke out of, which added to my sell view, my sell entry on this index would say. So I took my sells right at this point after the break of our trend support we got on the 1-hour time frame. We also had this uptrend here. We would say it's a consolidation as well, but it's an uptrend because we got higher lows formation, a low, a higher low here, a high, a higher high at this point. So this is an uptrend we got on the 1-hour time frame. So I got my entries here. My entries is based on a break below this neckline, this reversal pattern formation neckline, a break of this trend we got on the 1-hour time frame, this downtrend I saw on the 4-hour time frame, and this daily time frame view, the expectations of price getting to this level on the day time frame, this trend support and our horizontal support level. So that's it, guys. That's how to take the sell trade on Boom 500 index. Price action basically I analyzed from a high time frame down to a lower time frame, working with my market view and analysis, and getting an entry point on a lower time frame. All right, so for more trade breakdowns and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a